If we look at number 1, we're solving for m. What do we need to move? Yep, so we're going to say plus 19, plus 19. All right, m equals, what is negative 15 plus 19?
4.
4. Okay, and so this one's done. Aaron, put that up, please. Okay, look at number 3. What do we need to do first? Huh? Yeah, we got to combine. What can we combine?
3 and 5.
3 and 5. So what is 3 plus 5?
8.
8b minus 4 equals negative 4. Okay, and then what do we need to do? Add 4. Okay, so I got 8b equals, what is negative 4 plus 4? 0. And then what? Divide by 8. Okay, so we get b equals 0. Okay, solve each inequality and graph its solution. Okay, I would probably write these notes down. Is this going to be an open or closed dot? It's going to be closed. And this one's going to be open. Okay. And then lastly, so you don't forget, when do you need to flip the sign?
When you're dividing or multiplying.
Yep, so we're going to flip when we divide or times by a negative. Okay, so if we look at the first one, what do we need to do? We need to get x by itself. Plus 5. Okay, so I'm going to say plus 5, plus 5. Okay, what is 12 plus 5?
12 plus 5 is 17.
17. Okay, is that going to be open or closed?
Closed.
Okay, it's going to be closed. Going which way?
Left.
Going to the left. Good. Can I scroll? Okay, 7. I got 8x minus 8. Okay, what needs done first? You guys gonna make this take all day. Come on, get on the same one as I am and start answering me.
Plus 8.
Plus 8. Okay, so I got 8x. What is 16 plus 8, Anna? 24. Okay, Sebastian, then what do we do?
Divide 24 by 8.
So we're going to divide by 8. Jackson, what are we going to get for that? 3. Miracle, is that going to be open or closed? What'd you say? It's going to be open or closed? Oh, okay. I hear you. Okay. Going which way?
Right.
To the right. Can I scroll? Okay, 9. What do we need to do first?
Come on.
Combine. What can we combine?
75.
Good, so what is 7 plus 5? 12. Okay, and then what? Subtract 12. $17 minus 12. That's 5. Okay, on the 5, should that be open or closed? Open, going to the right. Good. Okay, 11. What does those bars mean? Yes, the comma and make it a negative. Okay, you can only do that if there's not stuff on the outside. So we're gonna say comma negative 13. Okay, now what?
Subtract 3 from both sides.
Yeah, so we're gonna say minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Okay, so I got n equals, what is 13 minus 3? 10, comma, negative 13 minus 3. Negative 16. Okay, on all absolute values, how many answers should you get? 2. Can I scroll? Okay, 13. Are the bars not by themselves? Yeah, so we're gonna say, we're gonna flip it and make the other one negative. Okay? It works the same, except for you need to flip the sign on the second one. Okay? We can't just make it a negative. Okay? And then we need to, same thing, subtract 3. Okay, so we're gonna get x, and it's gonna be 5 and negative 11. Okay, are those gonna be open or closed? They're both gonna be open. So we got 5 and negative 11. And then are they gonna be pointing in or out? Okay, this says x is smaller than, so this one's pointing in, and if one's pointing in, the other one's gonna be pointing in. Okay? Can I scroll? Okay, 15. I got m over 6. Okay. Is the bars all by themselves?
Yeah.
No. See how that 6 is like on the outside of the bars but underneath? Okay, that means that before you say comma and make it a negative, you need to move the 6 first. How do we move that 6? Yeah, we're going to multiply. So we say times 6 times 6. So I got the bars with the m, and it's going to be 12. Okay, now is the bars all by itself? Yeah, so now we can flip it and make it a negative. Okay, is there anything else for us to do inside the bars? No, okay, but if it said like plus 3, we would go ahead and then a minus 3. Okay, so on the 12s, open or close? Open. Okay, are they going to be pointed in or out? M is less than 12. Yep, they're going to be pointed in. Good job. Okay, the next section on here talks about slope. How do you find the slope with these 2 points? Rise over run. So how much do we rise?
4.
Okay, so we rise 4 and we run 3. Is this positive or negative? Negative. Okay, so maybe somewhere on here This is gonna be negative, and this one would be positive, okay? Okay, the next one on here says find the slope of the line with the two pairs of points, okay? What is the formula for slope?
Y2.
Mm-hmm.
X plus B.
Okay, it's m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, make sure you have the formula on your paper. You're gonna need it for tomorrow. The test goes in the same order, okay? And then we're gonna label x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so y2 is what? Try again. Try again.
13.
Try again. 0. Okay, so that's why we label, we can see that y2 belongs to 0. Minus, what is y1?
Negative 9.
Negative 9 over x2, 13 minus, and x1 is 5. Okay, type that in your calculator, see what you get. Use the calculator for those because they, what do you call it? Reduce that fraction.
9/8.
9 over 8, somebody else get that? Yeah?
I don't walk it everywhere. I don't do that.
Bischoff?
Yeah.
You know where Bischoff's is at?
Literally right there.
I would walk it everywhere looking for that.
We take that paper, take the paper, and then put that on the door, and Mr. Patterson's in there, and grab the success attendance.
Come here. Because you're gonna learn today. You're gonna have.
What'd you
to
say?
have-
Shh, my camera's on. What'd you say the answer is?
9/8.
9 over 8? Okay, find the slope and the y-intercept of the line. Which one of these is slope? Okay. It goes y equals mx plus b. Which one is slope?
Negative 1.
M or b?
M.
M. Okay, so whatever's in this spot is the slope. Whatever's in this spot is the y. Okay, so in this case, our slope is what? Negative 1 over 4. Do not put the x. Okay, and then the b? Negative 1. Okay, this one's the same way. It goes y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope, and this is our y. Okay, so our slope, what letter do we use? M. And we use what for the y-intercept? B. So it's going to look like y equals, what's our m?
Negative 1 over.
Negative 1 over 5 x plus, what's our b?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. I forgot you were gone.
It was literally right there.
I know.
It says Bischoff too.
I thought it would be a class in there.
Okay, write the point slope form. Does anybody remember what's the point slope formula? No?
This,
Y.
minus
No, y minus
y1
equals.
mx.
Yeah, m something like that.
Okay, that's the point slope formula. Okay, make sure you have it on your paper because obviously you don't know it. Which I'm not hating, but at least have it. Okay, so we label these x1, y1, and this is our m. Okay, so it's gonna look like y minus, what is y1?
3.
3 equals, what's my m? 3 over 2, x minus, what is x1? 4.